Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect iPhone to computer and laptop. So first off, you will need a cable that goes USB to Lightning port. In my case, I have an unofficial and third-party cable, but I would recommend you get an official cable because if you use third-party ones, you might have issues such as your cable not working or your iPhone just charging when you connect it to your PC and not being able to access any files. Now, we can take the USB part of the cable and plug it in of our PC, but for the lightning part, we will need to wait a bit because first off, we will need to edit a setting on our iPhone. And now we are on our iPhone, we select and open up the settings application. Then we scroll down until we find to the display and brightness option. We open that up, then we scroll down until we find the auto lock section. We select that and we press the never button. Then we can close this. We do this to make sure when doing some type of file transfers that our phone doesn't lock. If it locks, that means that the transfer will be cancelled. Now for this part, we will need to plug in the lightning part of the cable into the bone itself. We take it, then we plug it in, and now we can continue over onto the next step after I plugged my iPhone. And I need to press the allow button right here to give my computer access to photos and videos on my iPhone. I press the allow button and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.